In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Asana for capacity planning. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve how your team works, this guide will cover the key steps to set up, manage, and forecast workloads effectively. Let's jump right in. To begin, head over to www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click Login to access your dashboard. For those of you who are new to Asana, click Get Started or Try for free to create your account and explore the platform. Once you're inside, the first thing to do is set up your teams and projects. You can organize teams by department, project type, or specific functions. This structure not only makes it easier to see who's responsible for what, but also keeps everything streamlined and manageable. Invite your team members and assign them to the projects they will be contributing to. This step is crucial as it ensures that responsibilities are clear, collaboration runs smoothly, and accountability is seamlessly incorporated into your workflow. Having everyone on the same page from the start can prevent confusion and foster cohesive teamwork. Now let's delve into projects. In Asana, projects serve as containers that hold tasks related to a particular initiative, client, or timeline. Creating projects in a structured manner helps your work stay focused, organized, and easy to track. With your teams and projects set up, it's time to delve into capacity management and workload distribution. Open the workload view, which offers a visual breakdown of each team member's tasks in a timeline or calendar format. This visual representation makes it straightforward to see who's overloaded and who has more availability. Should you notice any imbalances, reassign tasks to even things out. Redistributing workloads can prevent burnout, ensure deadlines are met, and boost overall team productivity. You might also want to adjust due dates or priorities to maintain a realistic and stress-free work environment. When it comes to forecasting future capacity, turn to the timeline view to plan ahead. This perspective helps you identify potential gaps or bottlenecks before they occur, allowing you to allocate resources more effectively for the upcoming weeks. Another essential feature in Asana is task dependencies. By linking related tasks, you can avoid delays where one person is waiting on another to finish. This interconnected approach streamlines your workflow and minimizes bottlenecks, ensuring your projects move along smoothly. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to enhance your capacity planning. Use color coding to highlight urgent or high priority tasks. Add labels and tags to categorize work by type, such as design, marketing, or administrative tasks. Integrate Asana with other tools like Slack or Google Calendar to keep everything connected within one cohesive ecosystem. And that's it. You now know how to use Asana for capacity planning to better organize your team, balance workloads, and forecast resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy planning with